Hey guys, it's Gia and Ariana, and we are back with another video. We are playing with you. And we got nerf darts and nerf darts in there. Okay, so we have to try and hit them We'll settle this. How many? 10. 10. Okay, we didn't have to do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, guys, she's taking forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. 6. So I'm gonna get my darts out here. I don't know why we're laughing. Because it's just so funny. And Ariana's just going like, for no reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, guys. 6. So, 7. Remember, 8. Comment down below who do you think is going to win. Comment down below right now. 10. Hurry up. 10. Okay, me first, guys. Okay. 9. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Go back. Or I'll shoot you in the head. Shall I shoot her in the head? 8. Okay, guys. How many do you think I'm gonna hit? I think I'm gonna hit everything, hey? Yeah. What? No. Yes. What? Why are they not hitting down? Guys, so unbelievable. I hit nothing. You gotta be kidding me. Ariana, your turn. Don't forget to subscribe or else. And tap the notification bell. Or you will be in trouble. Guys, I told you there are some issues with this gun. So, I think she's gonna go get a different gun. So, be right back. Okay, guys, you finally got a new gun. Pull back slam action. That can shoot up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 stars. 1, 2. Hurry up already! 3, 4. Or else, guys, shall I pause her? Pause. Ah, I'm ready to finish. Oh, unpause.
Man.
Ready? Show them how it's done. I did. No, you hit this. No, I got 2 points because I hit these 2 stuff. And I hit this. I get 2. Well, I hit them already. But it doesn't matter. You can have them. Who do you think deserved to win, guys? Why is she not talking to you a lot? Anyway, guys. I don't know. Why did you not? Your teething is so close. No, I actually hit my bottle. Okay, sorry, guys. I actually hit all of them except the ones from the back. Ariana, you won this. You win. Who do you think deserve to win? Comment down below. comment down below who was cheating. He was cheating. Bye. Say bye. Talk to them below. Okay, Ariana, pick.
Bye.
Ariana, pick your job.